We have a slight risk today into southwestern Kansas, the panhandle of Texas, and Oklahoma as well. There is no tornado threat with this, and there is a 15% wind risk of 65 knots or greater within a 25-mile point, and there is a 5% hail threat of an inch in diameter or larger within a 25-mile point as well. This hail threat moves a little bit more to the west into Arizona within the marginal risk. So if you're within that area, or if you know anybody in that area. Tomorrow we have a marginal threat into western Nebraska, central Oklahoma, and central Kansas. Also in north central Texas. There is no tornado threat expected with this. There is a 5% wind risk, damaging wind risk of 50 knots or greater within a 25-mile point, and there's a 5% hail risk within. On day 3, the Storm Prediction Center has issued an enhanced risk of severe weather, which includes much of eastern Kansas and southeastern Nebraska. The slight risk reaches all the way down into the extreme north central part of Texas, including Oklahoma City, Norman, Joplin, Kansas City, and Wichita, Kansas. The marginal risk is included for Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, and Des Moines, Iowa. The tornado threat with this will be a little bit higher than all the other days because since it is an enhanced risk, we do have more threats. This is a level 3 out of 5 on the SPC scale, with marginal and thunderstorms being the lowest and high being the highest risk. So this is a 3 out of 5. The tornado threat on this, I think, will be a 10%, not hatched. Hatched is, so when anybody says hatched, that is basically a black outlined line, which is basically a significant threat within that line, so where you're most likely going to see the developing tornadoes in that area. I think it will not be hatched, but I think it will be a 10% risk of an EF2 or 5 within a 25-mile point. I think there will be a 15% hatched hail threat of 2 inches in diameter or greater within a 25-mile point, and a 30% hatched with 65 knots or greater within a 25-mile point. So as this system moves on, we're going to move right into the model. So let's head over there. There is a little tiny low pressure currently over the northeast that is bringing lake effect snow showers into Pennsylvania and New York. The low pressure system will stall out right over the northeast and just die off from there. It will stall out and then hopefully move out to shore after that. As you can see, the Midwest does have a little storm system that will be developing as the week comes to an end. The severe weather threat will ramp up as we go into Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday, as a QLCS event possibly will track across the plains into the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast. This will bring continuous severe weather threat with the enhanced risk once again. That will bring us the possible tornadoes, damaging winds, and very large hail along with it.